All right, so today is October 25 and it's my 5th day with ITP. So I have two accounts with ITP. The first one is with $100 capital and the second one is with 500 capital. So let's do simultaneous quantization, all right, quantitative trading from both of my accounts now. So this is $100 capital versus a $500 capital. Okay, so now let's go check my assets. All right, so yeah, you can see I have 138 on this first and 561 on my second account. So actually I did not deposit the full amount of 500 and 100. I received some bonuses. All right, so I just add those bonuses to complete my $100 minimum capital and my $500 capital. So I think I only deposited like 460 from my $500 account and less than $100 from this one. So let's keep in mind there's a promo. Okay, so before we put capital, let's check if they have or if the promo is activated. So one of my downline activated last night, and unfortunately the promo has already done. So this right here, right? So again, today this bonus or promo is live again. All right, so if you are a new user and you decide to deposit $200 for the first time, you will get $25 bonus and your referrer will get $20 bonus. So keep in mind, guys, the higher the fund you will put into the system, the higher percentage or earnings you can get on your quantized trading. Okay, so now let's do the trading and see how much I can get again. All right, hold on. So this is how we earn from this very powerful app. Okay, so just click quantize and you can see here I have 5 out of 5 and quantitative amount right here. Okay, so let's start clicking. Okay, so this is strange because I am expecting more than $10 today. So you see a while ago that it says that still quantizing. So yeah, what happened? The number of quantizations for today has been, so I don't know what happened, but here's the result of my quantization today. All right, so I think I just skip one profit today. Okay, so it's supposed to be like more than $12, and because I have 519 total quantified amount on my second account, and here on my first one, it says I've earned 2.48. Okay, so yeah, let me figure out what happened. So I'm not qualified yet on G2 on this $500 capital because I don't have first generation valid members. All right, so once I qualify for this, then I can have the G2 equity. All right, so I'm on a G1. So the process is the same from my $100 capital and a $500 capital. I'm earning 2.5% And the only difference of this is I have greater amount of capital from this second account. So once I qualify G2, I need to have like 5 referrals, first generation valid members, and the $500 capital is there already. So my G2 will become 30,000 cap maximum quantitative amount. Okay, so that's how much I could earn from my $500 capital, and I can click 6 times instead of 5 times only, as well as my percentage will be greater than my G1, which is 2.5%. It will goes up to 2.8%. Okay, so yeah, I've earned in my 5 days here in ITP this amount, and what I am excited about is the power of compounding. Okay, because yeah, all of the profit will be included after 72 hours, I think. So as long as it's very stable, and yeah, they have lots of rules before you can withdraw, before you can start to quantize your capital, before you can do anything. There's certain requirements. So this makes this project more stable and more reliable. Okay, so yeah, that's how we can earn from ITP. This is for long term, and this is very legit. You can do your own research, guys. Again, only invest what you can afford to lose. All right, so that's all my update with ITP. So thank you so much, guys, for watching. Thank you so much for staying in my channel. If you're not a subscriber yet, please hit the subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the bell icon as well, so you won't miss any updates and announcements with regards to these projects. And also please consider thumbs up. That will help my channel to grow as well, and I really appreciate that. And also you can share your thoughts, and you can join my Telegram channel, guys. I'm always active on Telegram, so if you have concerns, if you need assistance, then you can message me. We have group for ITP, exclusive for ITP. So yeah, you should join our group. All right, so that's all. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Again, this is Baby Snow. Happy earnings, everyone. Bye bye.